Okay guys, so if any one of you is still thinking which battery to use for solar, if lead acid or lithium ion, just don't even think about it. Okay, the lead acid is completely useless, worthless compared to lithium ion. These batteries are 3 years old. Okay, this is a part of a solar system at my cabin in the mountains, and it's running only refrigerator. It's a full-size kitchen refrigerator, and it takes about at most 180 watts at 120 volts. Okay, so that's about maybe 1.5 amp roughly. The defrosting has been disconnected because the defrost takes about 400 watts. So I did disconnect that, and just because I'm here only for 2-3 days, so the refrigerator has enough time to defrost. But these batteries, after 3 years, are completely useless. Okay, so this is a 800 amps here. According to my calculation, that should be running the refrigerator at least for 2 days, 48 hours straight. Okay, it never did, even when they were new. If I can get half of the capacity, that means if I get 100 amps from 200 amps battery, I'm lucky. But after 3 years, I don't even get that much. The refrigerator is running on probably, it could be running probably for about 4 hours max, and that is when nobody's opening it, that's overnight. Okay, maybe 4 to 5 hours. And then the inverter will start beeping and will shut down because under voltage it goes down to 10.5 volts. That is absolutely unbelievable. Okay, versus at my house where I have lithium ion and a solar. That's just they actually perform the way supposed to, or very close to the way supposed to. But these, after 3 years, they don't even have the half of the capacity they're supposed to have. And then they've been used so little, okay, and maintained by the solar system. So I don't know. Don't even think about it. This is completely waste of money. Waste of money. No, I've been there 3 years ago when I was designing the solar. I did my research online, and you will find all kind of stuff. You will find the lithium ion is junk. You will find the lead acid is junk. You will find the lead acid is good. You will find the lithium ion is good. Everybody is bragging about something else. So I said, okay, I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to put the lithium ion, lead acid over here and lithium ion in my house. And luckily, the solar system in my house is much bigger than here. So I got much bigger battery bank than over here. But still, this cost about, I would say about 250 piece, maybe 260 piece. So that's about $1,000 gone in 3 years. That's unbelievable. That's just I don't know. So again, if you ever think about what you want to buy for your new solar, don't even bother with these batteries. Oh, and this brand is what brand is this? Let me see. This is supposed to be actually a good batteries, and I cannot read it, but holy cow. Duracell. This is a Duracell brand. Okay, that's unbelievable. Duracell is supposed to be a really good battery, so it's not like it's something junk from Walmart or something like that. Okay, this was from battery store. Well, anyway, I am really disappointed because it doesn't last when I have to actually charge them. Besides the solar system is charging them, so I have to actually charge them before I go to sleep until maybe up to 11 o'clock, and 4 o'clock in the morning the alarm from the inverter wake me up that the battery is depleted. That's and nobody is even opening the refrigerator, so how much the refrigerator runs? That is unbelievable. That is really unbelievable. Okay, just want to help you out here, to make up your mind. Next time.